One of the biggest challenges in art conservation is to know when an artwork is in jeopardy and how to respond. But to diagnose the problem and fix it requires a thorough scientific knowledge of the artwork's condition, past and present. Just like a physician who wouldn't prescribe medication or surgery without first taking the patient's clinical history and ordering the appropriate x-rays, CAT scans, and so on, museums now need a more scientific basis on which to make conservation decisions. Enter the Digital Clinical Chart Project of UC San Diego's Center of Interdisciplinary Science for Art, Architecture, and Archaeology, CISA 3. The pilot project is developing a standardized set of diagnostic and analytical tools that could one day be used to monitor and safeguard great works of art. The construction of the clinical chart begins with art history research, scholarly literature, archival documents, the work's iconography, provenance records, and the like. Then the scientific research begins, running the artwork through a battery of multispectral scans from the surface down to the support. This Renaissance painting by Carlo Crivelli from the San Diego Museum of Art's permanent collection was scanned at 8 separate wavelengths at very high resolutions. Visible light photographs of tiny sections of the work are stitched together to show details not visible to the naked eye. The resulting image so large, researchers can study its most minute details even when the photo is displayed on the highest resolution display system in the world, UC San Diego's 300 million pixel hyperspace wall. From there, scans at different wavelengths peer beneath the surface. Infrared light passes through the paint layers to a charcoal or ink underdrawing. Pseudocolor infrared helps with identifying pigments. In ultraviolet light, the greenish glow indicates more than one layer of varnish. Ultraviolet can also uncover evidence of previous restorations, which look dark because they absorb the UV light. An X-ray can pinpoint wormholes or turn up bright white dots where holes in a wood panel have been filled with gesso. The multispectral scans and other diagnostic imaging are followed by analytical diagnostics, including cross-section analysis, scanning electron microscopy, and different types of spectroscopy, each test yielding a deeper understanding of the painting at a chemical, even molecular level, and its decay processes. The digital clinical chart is a new approach to conservation based on hard science and up-to-date technologies, establishing the anatomy and pathology of a work of art to diagnose what's wrong and how to respond. In short, creating a more scientific way of monitoring and safeguarding the health and safety of great works of art.